So hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So here I am Rachna Meshwari, student of the first year MBBS from PUMS Nawabshah. Today I want to share my views on a topic glaucoma, which is a silent thief of the vision. So guys, before starting this presentation, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. So here are few outlines related to the disease which we have to discuss. What is glaucoma and its development? What are types of glaucoma? What are signs and symptoms of glaucoma? Diagnosis and treatment for glaucoma? What is the advice diet for glaucoma? And who are more susceptible to the glaucoma? So the next slide is glaucoma and its development. Glaucoma is a disease that damages your eye optic nerve. It usually happens when fluid build up in the front part of your eye. That extra fluid increases the pressure in your eye, damaging the optic nerve. Over the time, the increased pressure can erode your optic nerve. Glaucoma is a leading cause of blindness for a people over 60 years old, but blindness from glaucoma can often be prevented with early treatment. There are few steps related to the development of the glaucoma. First is a build-up of fluid. So as we know, there are two chambers in our eye, anterior chamber, posterior chamber. Anterior chamber is filled with the fluid secreted by the ciliary epithelium, which overflow and choke the drainage system. Second is the increased pressure. Due to the blockage of a drainage system, intraocular hypertension occurs, which is greater than the 21 mm of the mercury. And next is the increased damage, and due to the high pressure cause a damage to the eye nerves and the loss of visual field in our eye. Here are the few interesting diagrams related to glaucoma. Now take the brief review of the glaucoma. Vision can be compromised by the disease called the glaucoma. It is a silent thief of the vision and become the cause of the worry. To understand how glaucoma affect our eye, before this it is important to know how our eyes is regulated. In the front of the eye, there is a space called the anterior chamber, which lies between the cornea that covers the front portion of the eye and the iris, which can give the light to the eye. A clear transparent fluid called aqueous humor circulates in the space. In the healthy eye, small amount of fluid regularly produce and drain out. In eyes covered with glaucoma, rate of drainage can't pace with inflow. The fluid drains from eye through a special tissue called as a trabecular meshwork, where iris and cornea meet. If too much fluid produced, all the drainage system get blocked in some way, then tension increase and damage the optic nerve fiber as the time goes. An optic nerve fiber is composed of millions of nerve fibers which are connected to the retina and send signals from the optic nerve to the brain, and the whole image of the which is on the retina is formed. If undetected, damage to the optic nerve results in a partial or complete blindness, and the symptoms of the glaucoma are visible until large extent of damage is done. Therefore, it is called as a silent thief of vision. Types of glaucoma. There are several types of glaucoma. The three main types are open angle glaucoma, angle closure glaucoma, normal tension glaucoma. So the first type of glaucoma, open angle glaucoma, POG, when normal drainage system partially blocked, intraocular pressure built up within the eye. POG usually affect the peripheral vision first and gradually being lost towards the center of the eye. So it is the most common type of the glaucoma. It is named as an open angle because the angle between the cornea and the iris become small, and the drainage system slowly and gradually being blocked and cause an increase in pressure and the damage of the optic nerve, which results in a vision loss. Sign and symptom of the open angle glaucoma. It is unoriented peripheral or sight vision. tunnel vision, refractive sight in which object cannot be properly seen if not close to the center of the field. Eventually, all the vision may be lost. Vision is normal in early stage. So the sign and symptom of this type of glaucoma will shows that at the early stage, patient does not show any symptom. Peripheral vision may be lost in early stage. Advanced stage include central vision is clear and the peripheral vision is completely lost. So second type of glaucoma is a closure angle glaucoma. Angle between the iris and the cornea being too small. Lens pushing against iris. Drainage system blocked. Rapid pressure develop within the eye. Blindness can occur as little as 3 to 5 days. It is named as the angle closure glaucoma because the angle between the iris and cornea become narrow, which will cause the blockage of the drainage system and increase in pressure and damage the optic nerve. Sign and symptom include severe thrombic pain, eye redness, headache, blurry or foggy eye vision, halos around light, dilated pupil, nausea and vomiting. Normal tensure glaucoma, damage to the optic nerve, normal intraocular pressure, optic nerve damaged by hyperfusion, genetic hypersensitivity. Its characteristics same as the open angle glaucoma. So in this, the pressure remains normal and cause a damage to the optic nerve. Sign and symptoms of the normal tension glaucoma, you may not notice them until most of your optic nerve fiber are dead. Without treatment, the first sign of normal tension glaucoma is often the loss of your peripheral or sight vision. You may start to miss things out of the cornea of your eyes. Diagnosis of the glaucoma include he or she may perform several tests including measuring intraocular pressure, tonometry, testing for the optic nerve damage with a dilated eye examination, and imaging test is checking for areas of vision loss, visual field test. So to be safe and accurate, there are few tests of the glaucoma: the inner eye pressure tonometry, the shape and color of the optic nerve measured by ophthalmoscopy, the complete field of vision perimetry, the angle in the eye where the iris and cornea meet gonioscopy, the thickness of the cornea pachymetry measure. Treatment of glaucoma. Glaucoma is treated by lowering your eye pressure, intraocular pressure. Depending on your situation, your options include prescription eye drops, oral medications, laser treatment, surgery, or a combination of any of these. Acute pain related to increased IOP and a surgical complication as evidenced by the patient verbalization or a facial expression of the patient. So it tells us that in the early stage, the patient diagnosed, then it is corrected by medicine or piles, but if it is not diagnosed, it is corrected by the laser or any type of surgery. Then there is the advanced diet for glaucoma. Some of the most helpful fruit and vegetable for healthy vision are collard, green, cabbage, kale, spinach, brussels sprouts, carrots, peaches, radish, green beans and beets, because oxidative stress is associated with the damage to the optic nerve in a glaucoma. So we can take all type of diet except the fatty acid which can damage the optic nerve. So people who are more susceptible to the glaucoma, people over age 60 are at the increased risk for the disease. Africans, Americans, however, are at the increased risk after age 40. Occur in overall population in all sex and age. It tends to be heredity. No prevention if a person having glaucoma in a lifetime or having a diabetes and a hypertension. So we have a need of a proper eye checkups. So guys, get rid of this disease because once glaucoma gone, it's gone. Better eyes for a better life. When life gets blurry, see your eye doctor. You know that our eyes are the priceless windows to the world. Help us in interact and enjoy the things around us. So take care of your eyes. So thank you so much guys for listening. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up.